Case 263 Fibonacci. Okay, so the Fibonacci sequence is a special type of sequence. The ones you've done so far, you add a term on, so you maybe add 3 onto it. So the term to term rule might be add 3 or take away 5. This one's slightly different. So this is the starting numbers of a normal Fibonacci sequence. And what you do is you add or sum the previous 2 terms. So 1 add 1 is 2. Then the next one will be 1 add 2 is 3. Then 2 add 3 is 5. 3 add 5 is 8. 8 add 5 is 13, and so on. So there's only 3 questions on this on Hegarty, and it's just asking you what the next, or what a particular term in the sequence is. So if it says what's the 5th term, that's the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, that's the 5th term. So the 5th term will be 5. If it asks you what the 7th term is, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's the 7th term. So literally, to be able to answer these questions, you just need to do the sequence and carry it on. See how far you can get. So after the 7th term, 8th term will be 13 plus 8, which is 25. Next one will be 25 plus 13, which is 38. Next one, 38 plus 25, which is 13, 63, and so on. So we've got up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, the 10th term. So for example, if it said, what's the first term to be above 200? You just keep adding on the previous 2 terms until you get a number that's above 200, and then count along what number that value is in the sequence of numbers. Okay, if you want to have a look up, search on Google Fibonacci, use a person, and he's named the sequence after himself. There's an origin of it in nature. There's a lot of patterns in nature that involve Fibonacci sequence.